Since I get so many questions about how I'm able to pack everything for my trips in such small luggage, I decided to make you guys a video and show you how I do it. Now for this one, I'm only going on a short trip. I'm going to Atlanta from Friday, and I come back on Monday. And usually when I go on short trips, I use my Incase backpack, and it's only for maybe like max for me. I'll use this for like 4 days. So I really only use this for domestic travel because I don't usually don't go on domestic trips for more than like 4 or 5 days. Or if I do an international trip, which usually my international trips are longer, like 9 or more days. So I don't take this usually, unless I want to. Sometimes I'll take this with my carry-on, my other carry-on spinner luggage. So if I want to bring back more stuff, then I'll take this. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack all of these items. And what I do when I pick clothing out, I usually pick a color scheme, and it's usually black and white. And then I might throw in a pop of color, and it's going to be mustard for this trip. It was mustard for my last trip too. So what I do, and these are, ever since I bought these are compression cubes. Ever since I started using these, I am addicted. They make such a difference in your luggage. It looks like this right now, but I'll compress all of this into this bag and then put it in here. So I have 2 pairs of pants here. I already have my clothing for the airport set aside. So what's going in here is 1 pair of shoes, and I have another pair of flats that I'm wearing to the airport. And then I have my pajamas, my undies, and 3 sweaters that I'm going to stuff in here. So let's do that. And when I fold my clothes, I try to fold the clothes so that they are the size of the compression cube, sort of. Okay, pair of pants. One at a time. I might take another pair of pants. I'm taking 3 altogether, but I'm thinking about wearing the jeans a second time. Maybe. I usually don't like doing that. I think the place I'm staying has a washer and dryer anyway, so I can wash my clothes and re-wear them. And that's another thing. The reason why you want to have a color scheme going on is so you can mix and match everything and you don't want to pack too much. You can make a couple of different outfits, you know, out of just a few items of clothing. So, and that's pretty much it. If I plan to take a pair of pants, then I'll just put it in here. See, and I still have room in here, so I can roll up a pair of pants and put it in here. I've already ruined. This is called Tripped. These are a cheaper packing cube, but this has been working out pretty well for me. The other one I had was Eagle Creek, and the zipper already busted, and that one was really expensive. I think the set was like $50, and this one you get this is a larger one, and then you get a smaller one. It comes in a set. It's like $17.99. I think that's still the price. Let me see if I can compress this. If not, it doesn't look like I can. That just stays this size. Okay, yeah, for this one I'm not going to be able to compress that. So, let me look at the compartments in here. Here it has a laptop compartment that's lined with really soft fabric in there, which I usually don't take my laptop anywhere. Comfy little area for your back. and full straps, cushy straps, comfortable straps, I should say. So that goes in here. And then this is my toiletry bag. So in here, all my little toiletries, comb, deodorant, every toiletries, you know what toiletries are. Also in here I have some medication, some vitamins and stuff. And then I have my liquid bag. It's, what is it, a 1 liter. And then in here, in this bag, for carry-on only, you can only have liquids no bigger than 3.4 ounces in here. So put that in there. Usually I like to carry this in my, on an outer pocket so I can just pull it out really quickly for TSA. So, but that's not going to happen right now because this doesn't fit there, so I'm going to put this in here. Okay. Well, that's kind of a squeeze. Okay, and let me get those shoes. Shoes in here. Of course, you want to put your shoes in a plastic bag. You don't want whatever gunk is on them to get on the rest of your luggage, clean clothes, whatever. The cool thing about this, another compartment that it has a few compartments. Oh, this is already, okay, so this is already getting stuff. So another cool thing about this bag is it expands. If I can find the zipper. Oh, it's over here. You can release it here on the sides, and it expands. So there you go. Now I can close it, and then I'm going to pack the front part. Okay, so my battery died, so we're just going to go ahead and continue where we left off, which is loading the front part. And the front part for this bag is usually, it's designed to hold your electronics. Has a bunch of pockets down here, mesh pockets, pockets here, has like about 6, 7, 8 pockets all together. So I use it for my electronics and my beauty products, which is my makeup bag and some nail stuff. So usually what I put in here is everything that I need to have access to while I'm on the plane, easy access to. So the first thing I put in here is my makeup bag, and I put it at the bottom because I don't need it. I usually don't use it, so that goes at the bottom. The next thing is my power bank. Sometimes I need it, sometimes I don't, but I usually put that here or up here. Doesn't matter. Here, I'll just put it up here so you can see the pockets. Next thing is this bag. I usually all my cords see-through so I can see everything. I don't have everything in here because I'm using it, but my cords, my plugs go in here, and I'll put it down here. One of the mesh bags. The next thing is these are my noise canceling headphones. They're pretty good. They're not 100% noise canceling, but they are really good. Once I bought these, I didn't think I needed them, and you actually don't need them, but once I bought these and I use them, they make such a huge difference with the, you have maybe kids running around yelling or crying, just the engine noise throughout the flight. These are excellent. I love them, and I was debating on whether to bring them or not since it's a short flight, but I feel like I can't be without them, and they kind of take up a lot of space. So I mean, this is a sacrifice for me because I'm always trying to save space, but so those, put those in there. This right here, my tablet, there are two places I put this. I can either put it in here with everything else, because I use these together, obviously, like when there's no entertainment system or at an Airbnb that doesn't have a TV, I use this. Or just my backup, I take it everywhere, because one time my phone went out and I used my tablet, otherwise I would have been screwed. Put it in here, or it also has another bag right here, and you can just toss it in here. And then, well, it's not closing right, but here it's because of this. It's right here, you have to kind of adjust things so they fit properly, but there it is. It's in there, but I'll probably just leave that. I just want to show you that there is a zipper right here, and it's cool. Easy access again. Just put that in here. Okay, and one last thing I like to keep here on the top always, because it's usually my go-to thing. And if you see a lot of my videos or my pictures, you'll see me wearing this scarf, or pashmina, oversized scarf. I like it to be oversized because these are really versatile. And this one washes well. It's already old. I need a new one. I always go back to this one. I try to buy other ones, but I always go back to this one. This, like if you are in a more conservative country, like a Muslim country, you can use this to cover your head, which I've used that for. When I was in Egypt, I did that. You can use this on the plane as a blanket. I use it all the time on the plane. You can use it as a pillow. I use it all the time as a pillow. International flights already have blankets, so usually I just use this as a pillow. And this is another thing I really, along with the headphones, like I need it. I cannot go on a trip without this. So this goes up here right on the top all the time. So that's like that. Oh, and there's another spot here for your sunglasses. Just a little zipper right on top. Your sunglasses go in here, but I had already put them in there. And this pocket is like the laptop compartment, same material, very soft. You won't scratch your glasses up top, so you can have easy access to them. So just put them in there, zip that closed, and you're good to go. And this, okay, so we'll talk about the price on this. This is, I went to the Incase website, and the price is still $200, which is kind of a lot. I thought it would be cheaper by now, but it's not. So what I did was I got a coupon code, and I got it for, I think, $175. I got it through like Honey or the Wiki Buys, where they automatically plug in the coupon. So there are other backpacks that are cheaper that kind of do the same thing almost. A lot of them are different. They don't have the exact same things. Some are cheaper, some are expensive. I like this one, so I got it. I bit the bullet. Was looking at it for a while, and I just kind of like it. It's like, you know, a suitcase backpack, easy. You know, pack, unpack, and that's it for this backpack. Okay, and the last thing I'll be taking with me is my purse, which I'm not very fond of this purse. I think it's ugly, but it does the job. It has pockets that I need, and usually when I travel I take a larger backpack with me, and that's because internationally usually I need to take more things with me, and I'm usually out shopping, so I have a larger backpack with so I can take my goodies and then bring my goodies that I got shopping home with me in that backpack. So I need a larger bag, but I'm just going to Atlanta for a few days, and I only need a small bag to hold my camera. So I have an insert in here. Insert with my lens, and then my camera will go in here. Then I just put it in here. And then in here I have stuff to clean my lenses, which I need to use more. If you saw my last videos, how dirty they were. I have filters and cleaning cloths for my lenses. And in here I usually put batteries in here. And in this packet I have a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I think I got it right this time. So that goes in there. And that's it. That's all I'll be taking with me to Atlanta, and I'm all set and ready to go.